Achoo! You good, bro? Yeah. I just sneezed on you. Achoo! What's good, YouTube? King now back at another video. Achoo! I just sneezed on you.
Bless you, brother.
Achoo! You good?
I'm good, but the back of my head's all wrong.
I just sneezed on you, bro. My bad. I'm trying to apologize. Achoo!
You alright?
I just sneezed on you, bro.
No.
I ain't sneezed on you. You good?
I'm all good.
Hey, I got a question. You know where the item 47 at?
What?
Item 47 at?
No.
You don't know where that's at?
No.
I heard y'all got it in stock though. I just called up here. They some shit, but it ain't even work out. So like you don't know what item 47 at? I talked to the manager.
Yeah, you can talk to anybody.
Why I'm talking to you? You ain't really helping me though.
No, because you're being weird.
How am I being weird?
Well, you start off playing the sneeze game. I don't know, you got some kind of video thing going?
No, I actually did just sneeze on you by accident, bro. Actually got a problem with just sneezing on people. I like to sneeze on workers and shit. Yeah, that's cool.
No, it's not.
You cool? Man, how old are you?
Just go away.
Well, I gotta go to way.
Because you're bothering me, and this guy's videotaping.
But I don't even know him.
Well, you know what? I'm going to have to call the police.
Call the police?
Because you're videotaping inside of Kroger store.
Okay. You can call the police. What they gonna do?
They're going to come in and take the phone.
Nah, they ain't gonna take my
Yeah,
phone.
okay. We'll see.
You gonna call the police? You call the... Why you calling the police? Don't call the police.
I don't give a shit.
Bro, why you calling the police though?
Go.
Bro, why you gotta call the police though?
Why not?
For what? What they gonna do? Am I harming you?
Yes, you are.
How am I harming you?
Go.
Explain to me how am I
Get
harming
out
you?
of the store.
How am I here? Put it on speaker. Put it on speaker. Come on, man, speed up. Why you calling the police?
I got to get the number first. They're not
Man.
going to come for 911 on it.
He ain't calling the police, man. He just talking, bro. He just talking, bro. He ain't calling the police. Hey, make sure you tell them it's a black person so they get here faster too.
A few moments later.
Achoo! You good? You good? Yeah, I just sneezed on you. My bad, bro. You straight? You good? My bad, bro. I'm just.
I didn't feel nothing.
You didn't feel nothing? All right. I think I'm.
You guys ago.
Why?
Because I was warned about you guys a couple weeks ago.
What you mean?
So the manager told me you were in here filming before I need you to
I
go.
gotta leave though.
Because that's what the manager said. So it's either you can leave now or we can call the police and have you escorted out.
I mean, call the police. They ain't gonna do nothing. For sure. You just being an asshole for real. You don't get paid enough to do all that, bro. You don't get paid enough. You know you don't get paid enough, bro. He tripping. They tripping about us recording like they don't got cameras in this bitch. Come on, bro. We out this bitch.
Or tripping over customers and then getting.
Nah, cause a customer called me a racist, and we're tripping.
We just watched you stand at the front.
Bro, it
And
don't
they're gonna ask
matter.
you to see the video if the cops come.
Bro, the cops is not coming. What can they do?
I'm just letting you know what's gonna happen.
Bro, I'm just saying, bro. Don't come up to me all aggressive and shit, bro. You don't get paid enough to do that,
I
bro.
just asked you to leave. That was it.
All right, bro. For sure. We out. Yeah, we out. All right, y'all have a good one. Nigga be tripping, bro. Talking about we gotta leave. But you know, y'all think we just not about to finish the video? We about to finish the video. We about to go somewhere else and finish the video. So stay tuned, though. Achoo! Nah, bro. Damn, bro. I keep fucking up. My bad, bro. I'm just fucking with you. It's a video. Achoo! You good, bro?
Yeah.
I just sneezed on you. I ain't get on you.
Oh, no, bro.
My bad, bro. I'm a little sick, bro. I like to sneeze on strangers and shit. You feel me?
Am I being safe?
Nah, bro. You ain't being taped, bro. Like, I'm dead ass serious. Like for real.
Okay,
I just sneezed on you, but I wanted to apologize, like real shit.
you good, bro.
Yeah, I'm good. I get a handshake.
Nah, I want to shake your hand.
Bro, why not?
Fist bump.
I can't get a handshake, bro.
I feel like I'm being taped or something.
Nah.
Bro. Like I might be on TikTok or something. Like,
Nah, bro, you not, bro. Shit, I just like to sneeze on strangers and shit. Like I be sneezing on strangers all the time and shit like that. Like, bro.
So if I'm not be on TikTok and you not joking, would you try to fight or something, bro?
Hell no.
I didn't think so. Cause like, why you like to sneeze on strangers?
I mean, that's what I just like to do. I'm a little sick. I just got out the hospital. I just like to sneeze on strangers and shit. Like, it's that simple. Like, for real. So, like, I'm sorry, you start feeling sick.
There you go.
He's all.
If you would have slid or something, dog, or if you would have kept talking, you was like, all right, let it go. I got you, dog. But I'm like, man, I
Yeah.
gotta be on TikTok.
Sneezing on you, my bad. I can't. I'm just fucking with you. It's just the video. It's just on water. Yeah, I'm a YouTuber. My bad. My bad. I'm just fucking with you. I'm just fucking with you.
No, I haven't seen you before.
What you mean? Yeah, I know you saw me. I had to get you though. All right.